Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dionne. I am the owner of Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And today we are making some children hair clips. Some of the items you're going to need for that, you're going to need a lighter. Of course, you're going to need some ribbon. I made myself like a little template to know how much I'm going to need. And of this, the ribbon, you're going to need about 3.5 inches of ribbon. Also, you're going to need some hair clips. You could get these from Hobby Lobby. I think I only paid like $2 because it was 50% off. Pair of scissors. And of course, you're going to need some kind of cute thing to put on the hair clip. I have a little collection going on here that I chose from here. But let's keep this short and simple. So I chose these cute little rabbits right here. And I chose some blue ribbon. With your ribbon, you're going to need to seal the edges of it so it doesn't unravel. So with the lighter, just go like this back and forth, both sides. Oops. Also, I forgot to mention, you're gonna need a glue gun. Very important, very important. And every other week at Hobby Lobby, those go on sale for 50% off. So let me see, this is the back side. This is the back side. All right. So we're going to start right here, putting the hot glue in the back part right here. See if this is ready. I believe so. So let's put a little bit right here. Get your ribbon. Put it right there. Put some glue right here. Push this in there. See that? Pull this back a little bit. Get some right here on the other side. Get that in there nice and straight. Put some along the top. Please try to get it straight. A little bit right there. You're going to open up your clip. You're going to add some on the inside. Kind of like squeeze it. There's that one. Do the second one the same way. Put some glue right there. Glue on the inside. Squeeze it. glue on the other side. Try to take off the excess glue as you're going. Put some glue at the top, not too much. Push it flat. Some right here. Open up your clip. Put some on the inside. Push that down. There's that. Then you're just going to glue your little whatever piece you chose. Put it on the top and push it down a little bit. Try to put the other one right in the same spot. Push it down. And there you go. Pretty quick and simple and cute. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more things coming. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.